Alright guys, getting late, but I'm gonna install spacers on my car right now. Fronts, we're gonna do fronts first. I'm taking off the wheels, jacked up, because I want to make sure I want to put my center cap on. Yeah? A lot of clips probably too. Oh, you gotta take the whole thing off?
Yeah, I took out the whole bumper and sides here just to get this fucking...
Oh, really? They made it a little difficult.
I didn't want to like mask it. I didn't want to be lazy.
Yeah, gotcha. It's gonna be worth it at the end.
Yeah.
You know? So did you try to put more coats on it?
Yeah, I put one more coat and it's actually better.
Yeah, told you.
Yeah. Shit, bro.
Yeah, just wait and put another one, you know? Actually, the more coats you put, the better, you know, to be honest with you. So that's awesome, man.
I was listening to you guys. That's funny. You was like watching your videos back then.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
It's funny as fuck.
It's crazy, man. I was like, small world, you know, so looks like I'm famous. That's funny.
That's funny as fuck.
Yeah, and then he literally showed me a video that he was watching. I'm like, no way, you were watching my videos? And we didn't even know each other back then. That's crazy. Yeah. I have to put spacers on my car. I have to, I don't know if you remember, I don't know if I told you, but I put those wheels on, and then in the front there's like a wheel bearing cap, so I cannot put my center caps on because it's sticking out too far. So I'm just gonna use these small spacers, so that's gonna, you know, make some space, and I'll be able to put the center caps
on. The center boards like pushing it.
Yeah, there's, I'll show you, there's it's just literally sticking out, so you can't even do anything. It's just a type of wheel bearing that it had, you know, these old school cars have, you know. So that's why. Yeah, it came out pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm trying to beat the fucking sun right now, bro.
I know, right? Yeah. Go ahead, do it, because I gotta do the same stuff. Not the same, but I gotta finish this up. All right, guys, time to put these wheel spacers on, and then these are gonna go to the front. They're 10mm, and then I'm still waiting for the ones on the back, and those are gonna be 15mm, so it's not too bad. They're not too thick, it's not gonna hurt anything, and my wheels are gonna look nice actually. So as you can see right now, I cannot install this because of that wheel bearing cap. Same time we can check our brakes and everything. Looks pretty good here. Brakes are doing fine. Now I need to install these guys, which is brake sensors. I only have one on here, so I'm gonna install the other one. Oh wow, this is actually made in Germany. Damn, I'm so weak. Look at that, some nice packaging.
goes in there. There's a hole.
One eternity later.